O dito, meron na naman isang biktima si Efren Reyes sa mga play safe. Itong si Nick Barner, mukhang chinallen si Efren Reyes sa isang play safe match. Pero makikita natin dito kung paano nalulusutan ni Reyes at kung paano tinrap ni Reyes itong si Nick Barner. Panoorin ninyo mga kabilyard sa bandang dulo. Makikita ninyo kung paano kahusay itong si Efren Reyes.
That Efren's skills weren't enough for this challenge. That's why Efren was forced to play some defense.
Get up enough? Can't tell if he got up enough. I don't know. I tell you what, if he didn't get up enough, Nick's going to just go behind the 5 here.
This pro player thought he could outsmart Efren Reyes, and now he tries once again to hide the ball, testing if Efren's magic can really be contained.
The 5, if he doesn't get him behind the 5, he's got a problem.
Well, he left a kick. He can kick to the side rail here.
Here it comes.
But now watch as Efren the magician responds to the challenge.
Zach, he's hitting this kind of hard, so he's going across. Oh, he's kicking that way. Wow, what a shot.
That was an excellent shot.
Zach, he's hitting this kind of hard, so he's going across. Oh, he's kicking that way. Wow, what a shot.
That was an excellent shot.
What a shot.
Shot that with a high ball, by the way.
That is some kind of shot there. That's
went back.
Exactly. A lot of people think that you have to hit bottom English when you're kicking 2 rails, but if you go over, if you're having to hit the ball full, a lot of times top English is going to make it to where it's a pretty easy hit. And for the cue ball.
At dito na nga tinrap ni Efren Reyes itong si Nick Barner para makaganti sa mga play safe ni Nick Barner. Dito papatikimin naman ni Efren Reyes itong si Barner ng isang malupit na play safe.
To attain a shot on the 2 here. Oh, he decided
playing
that.
The safety, and boy, he laid it down good too.
He'll have to elevate somewhat and dig down if he expects to hit this ball.
Just like he's doing, because if you hit it high, that's going to make more of a turn on the cue ball, and it's going to, this way he's making more of a straight line, and he hit the 5. Making more of a straight line, and he hit the 5.
And that's why you never, ever challenge Efren Reyes' defense, because the magician always finds a way. Subscribe for more highlights like this.
Practice ka pa, alamin mo lahat ng mga tira.